Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be attempting to style the Megan Thee Stallion Met Gala hair. As you can see here, this is just my take on the style, and I just love every style that Kellen comes up with on her. So here's just my take. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned and keep watching if you want to know how to get this style.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
And so, when we're to it, this is me showing y'all my little sections. I'm doing 3 sections and I got 4 different sections in each section. Yeah, is that English? And then I got my front 2 sections sectioned off, and I'll do those together. And then I got a 1-inch barrel Hot Tools curling iron or curling wand, and it goes in smaller. And I got my Sebastian Shaper hairspray. I love this shit. It's that shit. And that's me realizing I ain't got on no lip gloss. Like, over here looking mad ashy lipped. So I had to fix that. And then I did. And then I was feeling myself because I got these lash extensions. And I just think I'm a lash extension girl now, because I don't think I could ever live without them now. I didn't know I needed them, and now here I am. And I'm gonna be real, y'all. I only bleached and washed the frontal because I just didn't feel like it. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and I ain't had time to wait on the shit drying, so I did. And I'm gonna be real. So you see the hair looking real body wave. Odds are it's not. The frontal is what the frontal is. Like the hair is still good quality, but it don't body wave like that. It's gonna have like a more natural wave when you wet it, and it's gonna be like not as defined. So don't think that's still the hair's natural state. That's how it came in the package. But I'm gonna be real and let y'all know I ain't washed the back of the hair. So there's me being honest. And now I am curling it. I watched a lot of cosmetology hairstylists. Girl, I cannot think of words just then. I watched a lot of hairstylists do this on other people, and the girl I was watching, she was being real discouraging. She was like, you feel me, you might mess up a few times, but you'll get it at some point. And she was scaring the fuck out of me. I'm like, girl, I gotta do this today. I ain't got time to mess up. So I did the back off camera to get it right, and then I came back on camera when I had it together. And so that was my little first try on the camera, but I think the second try is better, so I'm gonna explain it then. But this is me just letting it sit a little bit, and then I went ahead and sprayed it again. Or I didn't spray it the first time. I sprayed it with the Sebastian Shaper. And then I'll curl it back up and go ahead and get it back in to that clip. And that'll hold for like, I think I let my curls set for like an hour, 2 hours, almost 3. I let my curls set for a very long periodically time. But you see how bleached and nice and plucked this frontal is? Shout out to the medium brown lace. It's not transparent, but it is. Okay, here's the piece that I said was going to look better. So what I'm doing is I'm twisting it around as I'm going around it. I'll have an up close part at some point. Not sure when. But I'm just twisting it around as I go. Like a perm rod. Like a perm rod, but with a curling iron. So I strongly recommend a heat glove. Unless you just like a boss like that. You don't need no heat gloves because you got hands that work through heat. I don't know. You got chef hands or something. I recommend a heat glove because it requires a lot of contact to the wand. After letting it cool in my hands for a little bit, sometimes I'll blow on it just to get the heat out, and then I'll shake the hairspray around so it can dry, and then go ahead and pin it back up. And I'm just gonna repeat this process a lot of fucking times. So aren't you so glad I didn't record the other half of the hair? I know you are. You're sitting there cheesing in your chair. I know you are. Onto the front, I think this is a nice little clip right here. I am curling away from my face, and I'm twisting the hair around like I was saying before, And it's nice to have a good grip on the hair so that it doesn't drag and you're like getting it mixed up with the actual curl wraparound part on the wand. That makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Just you need a nice steady hand. I guess I'll shut the fuck up now because it's time to do my makeup. I really thought that y'all was gonna want to know what I did so bad, so I showed y'all. Also, Elf sent me a lot of makeup products. I'm gonna link all the makeup products they left me down below because so far they've all been pretty great. I am using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation today, and for all the products will be linked down below. I just really wanted to show you guys briefly, really quick, super fucking quick, what I did for makeup today. I'm just gonna blend that in, and then I also use my Elf Camo Concealer. That's the concealer they sent me, and I also bought that before, and I love the concealer first of all. And then this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer dupe. I'm using my Morphe powder to set, and then I'm gonna use my Airspun powder to set my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and go bronze my face. Use my NYX matte bronzer and deep tan. And what else? I'm doing so much right now. And then I'm going to do my saddle matte shade. Had to cover my eyelash extensions with my fingers, so that's what that is. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Then I'm gonna use this dark brown, and it's gonna be very cool tone vibes. That's what our makeup was given in the pictures of the Met Gala. Shout out to Meg. Shout out to whoever did Meg's makeup. I don't know who did Meg's makeup. I'll probably find that out after I'm done recording this. But I used a different brush after a while because that brush was just not giving what it's supposed to give. And so then I used that one, and it was giving a lot better. And so then I put a nice little bright white on my lid, but then I thought that was too white. So then I would change over to a nice little beige instead. And then I think we're about done. I blended it out a little bit better, and that's it. I got lash extensions on, so I brushed those bitches out, and then I bronzed my nose. I'm still doing stuff, and then I did my underline. And am I done? Am I done? No, no, highlighter. Highlighter time. Don't y'all love when I don't know what's happening? Highlighter time. Woo! I'm gonna highlight my cheeks, and then I'm gonna use this Elf blush, which I was really worried about because, as you can see, it put on so bright and light. And then I blended it out, and it was the perfect orange color. I watched it transform in front of my eyes. My whole reaction changed. Like, you see that smile come from the confusion? I was very confused on how that was gonna look on me. And then I lined my lips. Yep. Look at me knowing things. I lined my lips and feeling my song. And then this is the NYX I Am Milky Gloss and Cookie. This is not cookies and cream. This is milk and honey, I think. Okay, now back to the hair. You're brief intermission on the makeup. Just show y'all what's going on. And for the hair, you just pull it down and comb, but you don't comb all the way through. Do a little back comb on it, and then spread that bad boy out. And then suddenly, after you do a few of those, you get like a little wave out of all of them. It's really cute. It's actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. Once I did this one, it felt like things were going to come together, and like I saw the vision. So then here's me doing it in fast, super fast speed motion, because I gotta go fast. And I'm going to keep going through all of them, doing the same motion. So you can go ahead and watch me go ahead and stretch and widen all the curls out. Oh, really quick before I really do shut the fuck up. Please do not use a brush for this, because if you use a brush, you're going to disrupt the curl pattern and then you won't get that wave. And if you comb all the way through the hair, it won't like go to that peak. So just make sure you're not combing all the way through the hair and you leave the end and pull the comb out so you can get this nice little yeah. Once it's all like blending together, it starts looking nice, and you just keep going and eventually you finish up and shit's looking pretty good. That was a nice one right there. And I'm spraying it with Sebastian and just, touching it up with every piece, and it's starting to look really good. I like watching it on camera. So pretty. I didn't think I was able to achieve this, but here I was achieving it. So then boom, it's time to put the wig on. Cutting off my ear tabs really quick. And I thought I was going to shut the fuck up, but I guess I have to keep talking. I can never shut up. I'm using an even active lace spray because it's so good. As you can see, by the way, I'm tapping the can. Eating that shit up. And then I sprayed my first layer. I went ahead and did that twice before I stuck on the wig cap. So go ahead, and now I'm going to shut the fuck up. I just did that a few times, and then I put the cap on. You'll see. I use warm air as well, if you're wondering. After I got done, I went ahead and took that band off. If you saw my video before this, you saw an in-depth tutorial on how to use the spray. So that wasn't the goal of the video today. It was just about the curls mainly and the styling. But now I'm just going to go ahead and use my regular glueless protocol and just cut off and spray in small sections and repeat as we go. And it just looks so melted. I'm really loving this like almost transparent lace. It's like not transparent, but it's very close, and I feel like it matches my skin perfectly. There's my JaLeah cup. Shout out to my dad. He got it for me. Thanks, Dad. Really meant a lot. And then gonna keep going and repeat the process I did to the hair in the back and the front. And yeah. This just looks so appealing. Like, watch it happen. Wow. Curling hair is not my strong suit, and I feel like I really murdered this. Like, the way it's separating and spreading apart, but still looking together in, like, a wave, how it's supposed to. Just the way they're sitting up. Wow. Doing these little finishing touches, and then I'm going to go ahead and start hot combing stuff into place so that everything is nice and laid. So right about this time, I knew it was time to start feeling myself because things was going to plan. The hair was a little bit longer than hers, and not exactly how hers looked, but I know that the technique was similar. So now it's time to get to doing the baby hair. She had smaller baby hairs going on, so I did a smaller one, and I think I kind of liked it a lot, actually. I'm known for the big baby balls, adult hairs. But today I went a little smaller and I really loved it. Thought I was recording after this. I absolutely was not. So then here I am showing y'all how I got this sideburn. I'm using my eyebrow razor because I hate a chunky side edge. Like, I hate when shit look too straight. That's not what hair be looking like. So then I went ahead and curled it using my Bedhead Pixie curling iron, and I'll link that down below. Please be sure to check my description box links because I'll have everything in their affiliate links, so it really helps me out if you click them and shop from them. So thank you guys in advance. I'm using the ORS Edge Fixer Grip Gel and a mix of the Edge Fixer, I'm using ORS Grip Gel and the Edge Fixer, and I had a little issues. I had a long ass hair, so I had to cut that. And then I went ahead and pressed my little curly Q down and got a few last comb strokes in, and then it was perfect how it needed to be. And then now it's time for that front baby hair, repeating the same technique. I'm just going to use my eyebrow razor, a little curly comb, brush, iron. It's 1 in the morning. I have no idea what I'm saying. Little bit of that, a little bit of this, little brushy brush, little swoopy swoop. And then all of a sudden, if you speed it up and times 8, you get done in like 20 seconds. And then, hold on, bam, done. Looking sexy, looking hot, feeling myself. Edges on swim, so they hate on her. And let's go ahead and get dressed. We can fill our judge completely. Let's add some gloss and really fill it. Boom! I came in bouncing. The hair is so bouncy and full and luscious, and it really turned out just the way I needed it to. Shout out to the fashion spray. Shout outs to the technique. Shout outs to the cosmetologist who told me how to do this shit in the first place. I couldn't have did it without y'all. The old videos from 2011. Shout outs to y'all. Couldn't have did it without y'all. Really appreciate the style, Kellen. Kellen always snaps on Megan's hair. This is just my take on the style. Really love the Met Gala look, so I just wanted to recreate. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and check out the description box links. Bye, beautiful.